Friends, all of you know India has rich cultural heritage promoted by different religious and spiritual gurus. The spiritual leaders of India like Swami Ramdev, Mahasi Mahesh Yogi, Swami Niranjan Saraswati of Munger School of Yoga have revolutionized the yogic culture throughout the world, but unfortunately, they have not joined on one platform and promoted spiritual tourism as Bali Spirit Festival, which is an unique international transformative yogic event. Friends, I am Professor Rabindranath Pati, editor in chief, Janch Karta, Current News YouTube channel. Today, I am going to share with you the Bali Spirit Festival organized annually during March to May for 1 week. It is world's greatest yogic festival. Friends, all of you know that India have many great spiritual leaders like Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, who is teacher of art of living, B.K. Shivani, great motivational speaker, Swami Gyana Vatsal, who is a motivational speaker, Sadhvi Ritembara, who is a Hindu political activist and religious preacher, Swami Ramdev, who is Yoga Guru as well as Ayurvedic medicine manufacturers. All of these spiritual gurus have never joined on one platform and deliver their knowledge under one package and promoted spiritual tourism hub of India. There is an urgent need to revolutionize the spiritual tourism opportunities in India, which will earn huge foreign exchange. Bali Spirit Festival is the largest yoga festival of the world. It is transformational and yoga circus. The major events of these legendary festivals are yoga, satsang, dance workshop, martial art, music nights, dharma fair, healing activities, seminar and personal development, bhakti nights, kids zone. And all these events are provided to participants under one package. Most of these events are based on Indian cultural practice and Vedic teaching. Bali Spirit Festival started in 2008. Bali Spirit Festival is organized for 1 week. This festival was cancelled for 2020 due to COVID-19 outbreak. Bali Spirit Festival is an international and holistic wellness event which contributes profoundly towards ecological health, cultural vibrancy, and overall vitality of Bali and Great Indonesia. Bali Spirit Festival is attended by not less than 5,000 participants from 60 countries of the world. The foundation of this festival is cemented on Vedic culture of India. This festival covers a wide range of activities such as meditation, Kundalini meditation, Hatha yoga, Tantra, Mantra, Ashtanga yoga, in addition to many life thrilling events. This is a 7 days 8-night festival annually organized between March and May and attended by participants from 60 countries of the world. The festival is scheduled with workshops, concerts, seminars, dance, children activities organized in amazing venue of Bali. Dharam Fair is one of the interesting daytime event of this festival. This event showcases health products, bazaar with local organic food stall, kids zone where little ones can play and do fun yoga. In this event, various world musicians and bands help keep up the vibes throughout the daytime gathering. Bhakti nights are also another special events. These events are dedicated to one stage concert, Balinese dance performance, various yoga and dance workshops are special attention of this event, which attracts all foreign tourists who participate in these spiritual activities. Dance workshops comprise workshop for promoting positive energy and reconnecting one's body with mind through dance and movement. The dance cover ecstatic dance, Indian classical dance like Kathak, Odissi, Bharatanatyam, West African dance, and American dances. These dance workshops are open to all levels and available at various times throughout the day. This is very interesting event and colorful event. Healing activity is also another special event of this yoga festival. Numerous infamous healing huts have been constructed at central area of festival. Renowned Ayurvedic, Chinese, cranial, sacral, Reiki, oneness blessing, Balinese traditional healers, chakra balancing, Tamadu sound medicine treatment are provided under these healing activities. These festivals provide platform from organizing seminars and personal development where a wide range of seminars are organized for personal development. This seminar covers wide range of topics such as Vedic astrology, business of yoga, spiritual nutrition, and many others. Market and trading is also another component of this festival. As many as 70 vendor booths are open to cover daytime and nighttime market. The products of the markets are handicrafts, organic and healthy food, clothing and merchandise. The special features of these festivals are community classes, talks by spiritual gurus, and a lunchtime performance which focus on rich Balinese culture. It is a transformation festival. All participants are transformed by this festival. Balinese holistic healing based on Vedic treatment attracts many foreign tourists to participate in this Vedic and spiritual tourism. Balinese healing cover Bali Usad healing, Balinese chakra healing, Balinese pranic healing, Balinese kundalini healing, Balinese spiritual healing, Balinese aura healing, Balinese crystal healing, clearing negative effects of karma, yoga message therapy. The participants of this yoga festival explore different practices of yoga and meditation and adopt yogic yoga like. They learn Kundalini yoga, hot yoga, Jiva Mukti yoga, Ashtanga yoga, laughter yoga, children's yoga, heavy metal yoga. All these services are provided under one umbrella, under one package. All components all components are borrowed from India. Under one umbrella, all spiritual, yogic, dance, music, healing activities are combined and delivered in a package. All components are borrowed from India. What do you think? Why the spiritual gurus of our country only showcase their service separately, not in combinedly? Why they do not plan to adopt the vibrant World Yoga Festival model of Bali Spirit Festival, which will renew our traditional Vedic culture and create a broad canvas for strengthening spiritual tourism of India, which will fetch our country huge foreign revenues. Please share your comments. If you like this video, you press bell icon, subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much.